So going along with the verses that I mentioned in the previous slide, there are a few Christian values that urge Christians to fight against the terrible prison conditions. And so leading with the verse from 1 Corinthians, we are all of one body in Christ. And we, as one body, we cannot be separated from each other, and if one of us suffers, then everyone suffers. And so people who are in prison right now are suffering because of these conditions, and so that is just a weight on the entire body. And so every Christian has a responsibility to stand up for people who are experiencing this type of suffering, because no one part of the body is better than the other part. And so we all need to stand with each other. We are also called to remember these prisoners and treat them with kindness, because at the end of the day, we are all still sinners, and we have a moral duty to protect our brothers and sisters. And a matter of human depravity and destruction is a matter that should concern all Christians, because going against just everything that Jesus talked about while he was alive, just caring for people who are just turned away from society, is something that everyone needs to look to. And being stripped of humanity and sanity in prisons is out of sight and out of mind, so many people ignore these problems, but these problems are just so important that we need to look into them and reform them.